Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can play MKV videos on your Android phone. So let's begin the video. Here I have an Android phone which is from Samsung. The process will be same for any Android phone. So on some of the Android devices you are unable to play videos which have the format .mkv. So for that I will show you how you can solve the issue. First of all, you're going to go back and on your phone you're going to open the Play Store. From here you're going to search for VLC for Android and you're going to download and install this free media player application. So this app will allow you to play MKV videos on your Android phone. Now you're just simply going to go back and you're going to open wherever you have placed your MKV video. In my case this is this one right here. You're going to click on it and it's going to show you these different options. Open with, just select VLC and just select just once or always depending on your need. Now it will basically play the video on your Android phone. As you can see right here, you can go forward, backward, and you can also click on these three dots at the bottom with different options, as you can see right here. So you can increase or decrease the volume and the brightness as well just by scrolling up and down. So yeah guys, this is the easiest way to play MKV videos on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.